But one of the greatest masters of this age, Meher Baba, did it. He was also here in Pune. And the Pune people was as much against him as they are against me. For the same reasons. Because he will not fulfill their expectations. He was a man of God. He did something so tremendously valuable that it is rarely done, but no history books will ever mention it, because histories are written by fools about other fools. Meher Baba is not part of history. Nobody has tried to see the great experiment that he did. He traveled all over the country to catch hold of all kinds of mazhoobs, madmen, because they are just very close to God. Only one thing is needed. Somebody is needed who can shake them back to their sanity. Then they can become great masters. Just a little sanity will be needed. Then their madness will have a method in it. Right now they are only mad without any methods. They cannot help. And to follow them may be dangerous, hazardous. To follow them, you will be only following yourself, because they will never give you any clue. And whatsoever they will say, if you follow it, can lead you astray. It can throw you into deep pitfalls, because they are not in their consciousness. They have drowned themselves into God so much that they are drunk. They are drunkards. They have known God, but they have no way to relate it to you. They cannot be masters. Each master becomes a mazhoob before he becomes a master. He goes through great madness. But all mazhoobs are not masters. If a mazhoob dies as a mazhoob, he will attain to God, but without helping anybody at all.